Let's say you have a website, you have a, this is your web server 1. And users are using your website and it is running on a single server. And you have, let's say you have 50 customers. When 50 customers come and use your website, they feel happy, your site is performing well. You're a happy developer that your customers are happy every day, day-to-day life, people are able to use it. But if these 50 customers become 5,000 customers, then your site becomes extremely slow. So they are complaining that your site is very, very slow. Yeah. They experience slowness. So what will you do? So what will be your solution as a developer? Okay. Vishnu Priya is saying that, hey, we should have more servers. Okay, I would note that down. So add more servers. Okay, then Uma is saying make server more heavy, make server more capable. And when I hear her saying, probably she's saying, hey, increase RAM, increase number of processors, increase them. If your RAM was 8 GB, make it 16 GB, make it 32 GB. If you had 2 processors, make it 4 processors. If your processor had single core, make it double core. Okay, these are the 2 responses I'm hearing. What about others? What do you guys think we should do? These 2 responses may or may not be correct, but these people are saying we'll come to this. Either horizontal or vertical scaling. Okay, Uma is giving us some terms that she has exposure to, which is good to see. Optimize process scheduling, very nice, to minimize wait time. So it's basically optimize your code to handle more requests. Sometimes that is also a bottleneck, that we have written inefficient code, handle more clients. And this is mainly about web server. Can you tune your web server? Can you tune your web server code? Now let's take inspiration of this problem from a beauty parlor. Okay, so imagine you go to a beauty parlor. There is only one lady who does all the serving there. If we talk about a beauty parlor, so only one lady handling all tasks. All tasks means she takes appointments also. She does billing also. That means you pay her the money. She takes care of your hair cutting. What are other things we do in beauty parlor? Thanks Mansa for sharing that. Okay, we go for pedicure, manicure. Can we say hair color, hair straightening? Yeah, massage also, let's call it. Okay, hair removal, facial, absolutely. Yeah, so we see there are so many services, and it is important to call out that so many things keep the person busy. Okay, well, thank you guys for your response. Now let's say one lady is handling all this. If she's getting one customer every hour, manageable, right? But imagine She gets rushed. Every time you are seeing that 10 people are waiting in the beauty parlor, at that moment, what solution does the beauty parlor bring in? Because this is something we all would have experienced and seen in our life. What would be the solution? Yeah, time slots, fair. Solution is give appointments at particular slots. So you can use time slots. Now, time slots also, if you go with Shravya, in daily, you will have around 10 time slots, 10 hours for which, let's say, beauty parlor is open. In night, it is not open. And if you have 50 customers asking for appointment on the same day, what do we do? If we deny to them, what happens is we are losing business. Yeah, that is the exact problem we are facing. 50 customers we were able to tackle, but 5,000 we are not able to. Yeah, awesome. So Vishnu Priya has another solution. She says if business is growing, you should have more people hired. Yes. So you hire more people. So time slots would have a limitation. You will be losing business. Yeah. Another option somebody may say is hire efficient lady. This is also a solution. Like this lady is able to, she's able to take only 10 appointments per day. You can say hire somebody who is super efficient, super fast. But that will also hit limitation, right? She may probably do 15 a day. Beyond 15, she will also have limitation. But hiring more people is definitely the solution. Yes, you will hire more people by bringing in a process. Can we say there will be a receptionist? What will receptionist do? She'll tackle appointments, right? Then there will be people working behind the scenes. They'll be dealing with customers. So these are, you can say, the main work. And in between, there will be a queue managed. Yeah, that is what would happen. So this receptionist is making sure if a customer comes, that customer is routed to that worker one is free, go and sit at that chair, your job will be done. Another person comes, go to the second, go to the third, go to the fourth, and so on. This is what we would do when we hire more people, which is a very fair and common solution. Yeah. So let's take this back to our server analogy. If we optimize, if we add more resources to one server, this is called, this technique is called vertical scaling. So vertical scaling is make one server more capable. In terms of beauty parlor, this is about hire more efficient lady who can handle more customers in the same time. But that efficiency will also be limited, of course, by some higher number. When we add more servers, when we hire more people, what is this called? Adding more server is called horizontal scaling. Now, when we do horizontal scaling, do you agree that we need one receptionist, we need one manager? We need somebody who can distribute the requests to various servers. Is this point making sense? Yes. So in servers world, if I write it down, let's say you increase 2-3 servers. Your server 1, web server 1, web server 2, web server 3. We discussed earlier that 50 users are served by one server. Let's say we somehow did some benchmarking and we saw 200 users per server works just fine. If you have 2000 users, how many servers do you need? Yeah, 10 servers would suffice. Yeah, in front of these 10 servers, you'll put something that is called as load balancer. So your customers don't directly deal with the server. Your customers come to load balancer. Load balancers redirects the customers to the servers. Some terminology, some technology comes in between in the picture, but this is how we go about scaling our infrastructure. So this is again horizontal scaling. Yeah. Think about tomorrow. If you get 5,000 users, then what will you do? Total how many servers? And if you want, you can vertically also scale. Imagine you don't want to increase more and more servers. Now you ideally use a mix of horizontal plus vertical. And somebody also said that we can optimize our code. Why only our code? Why not tech? We can optimize our tech also. We are using Node.js server. Somebody tells us, hey, do you know Go language servers are very, very efficient and they can handle more and more requests. So this can be plus tech or code optimizations. If we do this, do we agree that we have a solution possible for our customers? We will be able to build scalable systems.